Good morning, Botai. Shabbat Shalom. Continuing with some of the halachot of koshering the kitchen for Pesach, there are a few differences of opinion between Sfaradim and Ashkenazim with regards to some of the processes of koshering. For instance, according to Maran Zechron Baruch and Chazon Ovadia, plastic vessels are able to be koshered in the same way that they're used. For instance, if you use something, a plastic vessel directly in the fire, let's say a plastic spoon or whatever it is to stir inside a pot, you can do hag'ala to that. Or if you have plastic Tupperware or things of that nature that you pour boiling things into, you pour boiling water from a kli rishon into that, and you can kasher it. Ashkenazim in general are machmir not to kasher plastic for Pesach, so that's another difference between us. Now, interestingly, if a person has a table that you use throughout the year, obviously we're not talking about glass. If you have a different material table, the halacha is that all you need to do is pour some boiling water on top of it, and the table is kasher lePesach. If a person doesn't want to do that because it could ruin the table, then all you need to do is clean it well and then cover it with the tablecloth. Make sure the tablecloth stays on throughout the duration of Pesach. Then you can use it that way. The same halacha is with regards to countertops. The countertops in the kitchen. Unlike Ashkenazim that differentiate between the different materials of what the countertop is made out of, formica, quartz, granite, some can be kashered, some cannot. The Sfaradim, that's not the case. Any material countertop that you have in the kitchen, as long as you pour boiling water from, let's say, an electric kettle or any other kli rishon, the countertops are then kasher lePesach. Even if they're made out of, let's say, quartz or formica, it can still be kashered. The same halacha applies to the kitchen sinks. Kitchen sinks can also be kashered by pouring boiling water onto them from a kli rishon. Now, even if the sink is made out of porcelain, it can still be kashered. Just over there, it's preferable to repeat the process of pouring boiling water on it from a kli rishon 3 times. Be'ezrat Hashem will continue with some more of these laws next week. Mincha Kabbalat Shabbat and Arvit this evening is at 7 p.m. Shabbat Shalom V'urach.